Quick question. Should I try the boho braid trend on my natural hair?
Okay, y'all, I did it. Hey y'all, it's Jayla, aka JaiChanellie on the internet. Welcome back to my channel. I don't usually look like this. But subscribe. And we're gonna do boho braid trend on my natural hair. I saw this on TikTok. The original cover-upper of this hairstyle is this person that I'm putting on a screen because I don't necessarily know who did it first, but I'm gonna give credit where credit is due, okay? If you're interested in seeing how I do my boho braids on my type 4A natural hair, keep on watching, and yes, we will look different in the video. We won't always look like this, okay? Okay. All right, y'all, let's go ahead and get started. I'm starting with freshly washed hair. My hair is damp right now, and I just went ahead and put in some leave-in conditioner last night before braiding it up. If you're someone who prefers to have that elongated look, of course, you can start on stretched hair, like blow-dried hair. But I like my shrinkage. We're embracing the shrinkage, so we're gonna style on wet hair. I do already have a tutorial on how to box braid on your natural hair. I'll go ahead and link that above, so go ahead and check that out. Basically doing the same or similar process, except we're going to be getting that goddess boho effect by taking out individual pieces of my hair. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, y'all, I'm about to start my first braid. I'm taking edge control at the very top of my head, and then I'll add a little bit of that twisting souffle. Let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, let me go ahead and show y'all what that braid is looking like up close. And I am going to just make sure these pieces are coated in that twisting souffle. Okay, so that's the hair. And I've decided that I'm not parting with a comb. We do not got time for that. I am getting pretty tight at the roots, just so I don't have a lot of, movement up there. And then this one I'm gonna do a little differently. I'm gonna basically braid all the way down for this one and only do like one little piece coming out, just because I want a variety of how my hair is gonna look. So these ones are a little lower on my head and not braiding all the way down to the end. I'll leave about 1 centimeter at the ends, and we're gonna curl that right on up with that twisting souffle. Okay, y'all, back is done. Well, back section, my very back section is done. We're gonna leave the middle for the last section because that's where my hair gets the thickest, baby. And that's where the struggle bus gonna be. Okay, but we're gonna go ahead and do this front section. I am gonna use the rat tail comb as a very rough draft, but I'm not adhering to any particular parting pattern. I really don't care. So that is this section. And when I come back, I'm gonna be a baddie. Hey y'all, long time no see. That's my bad. I need to come and show y'all what my hair is looking like 1 week later. Yes, it is frizzy. Yes, it is undefined. This is kind of how it wears, and I'm actually not mad at it. So this is what my hair looks like from the back. Now, a couple of things I want to note. I know that a lot of people don't necessarily like the undefined frizzy look. At first, I didn't like it either because I was like, that's not the point of the style. But I've really grown to like the way my hair looks like this. It reminds me a lot of locks and how your locks would look, you know, if you have been wearing them out, you haven't gotten a retwist in a while, but it's so pretty to me. And I think I found a method that works for me. So that is actually what I'm about to do right now. I'm actually about to go out of town, so I'm gonna wash my hair. So I just got out the shower, we washed and conditioned. I actually washed using the Mielle shampoo, pomegranate and honey shampoo. I've been using this line the entire time I've been doing my head, so I'm just trying to keep it consistent. I did condition with the Aussie, and again, I did like a diluted shampoo, diluted conditioner, so I didn't like put it all in my head and lather it and all that kind of stuff because I didn't want to create like unnecessary frizz. And then I went ahead and just plaited my hair up. We're gonna work on defining our curls a little bit, but also I'm kind of okay with how my hair has been looking. So this is my hair. As you can see, she's already starting to frizz up. So what I want to do is go in with, again, Mielle the mousse, and then I'm going to go in with my gel and basically do a wash and go. So if you follow me on TikTok, the girls on TikTok was telling me to do a mousse plus gel wash and go. And they said that that's the best way to go. I'm gonna stop listening to them because honestly, they be leading me astray. But we're gonna try it for right now, okay? So I'm taking my mousse. And I'm basically gonna drench my hair in this mousse first. So now I'm taking this Coil Sculpting Custard and I'm gonna take my loose pieces. Defining each curl is taking too long. So that's all I want to show y'all. I'll check in with y'all tomorrow. Hey y'all, new location, same girl. I want to go and show y'all what my hair is looking like, fully dried. Now keep in mind, it's a couple days later, and I may or may not have gotten in somebody's pool. This is what my hair is currently looking like. So this is what my hair looks like in the back. Let me go ahead and show y'all how I've been styling it. Only thing I've been using is a claw clip, and if I don't have a claw clip, I use a scrunchie. I've been leaving a little bang out in the front. And then I've just been taking the rest of my hair up. I typically leave my lock out, and maybe one on this side out, a little fringe. Okay, so everything else goes up, and I just wrap it around a couple times, like so, and I just insert my clip. Just like that. You know, you gotta fan it out. And this is how I've been wearing my hair, y'all. Yeah, this hairstyle was a good little experiment. Probably not going to be a go-to for me, honestly, because it's just a lot of work, especially with the loose pieces. I would much rather just do a full set of mini twists or mini braids. Let me know if y'all gonna try the boho braid trend in the comment section below with your natural hair, with added hair, whatever. And also let me know your hair type. Thank y'all so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, remember to hit that subscribe button. Also like this video so YouTube can share with other people, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.